three powerful uses of cowrie shell, which is going to be how you can use cowrie shell to attract money, how you can use cowrie shell to communicate with water spirit, especially if you are a water child. Okay, now I have the gift of seeing. That's why people call me this year. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself. Yeah, it has come to my notice that a lot of you, maybe you, probably you that is watching me now, you have cowrie shells in your house, but you don't even know how you can use this cowrie shell to attract huge amount of money for spiritual protection. There are some things you can do by yourself. You don't even need any spiritualist to do it for you. And meanwhile, we the spiritualists, we don't want you to know those things, because you should know. How will you come to us? How will you bring money to us? But to me, I'm going to teach you for free today. I'm going to teach you three powerful uses of cowrie shell, which is going to be how you can use cowrie shell to attract money, how you can use cowrie shell to communicate with water spirit, especially if you are a water child. Okay, now you have to understand that in African spirituality, right, you have to know that cowrie comes from ocean, right? And ocean is the home of powerful water spirits. Africa tradition recognize that. That means the cowries carries oceanic energy that you can use. See, no matter how strong you are, in any spirit, in any charm you have, once you cross a river, there is 99% chance for that charm to spoil. They will collect it. So for you to know how powerful water spirits could be. So in this video, as I said, I'm going to teach you how you can use cowries to attract huge amount of money, to draw wealth, prosperity, how you can also use cowrie for protection, and how you can also use cowrie to communicate with water spirit, especially if you are a water child. Hi guys, this is the Seer. If this is your first time visiting my channel, do way to hit that subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss a important video from me. And also, if you find this video helpful, all I'm asking for you is like this video, and a nice comment from you will encourage me to make similar videos. Okay, now let's go straight to the point. Number one on my list is how you can use cowrie to draw wealth. Now, if you are the kind of person that money does not come to your hand and stay, like there are some of you that once money enter your hand, before you know, one or two different problems will be coming to actually take that money from you, or the money is not even coming. Now this is what you are going to do. Get 7 cowries. I'm going to teach you a secret. If you guys want, let me teach you how to fortify cowrie for free. Let me teach you how you can fortify cowries for free. Let me know. I'm interested in how to fortify cowrie. So I will teach you how you can fortify your cowrie to use it without buying cowrie from any spiritualist. You know, many spiritualists that base their income on spiritual work alone, the way they do. And me, spiritual work is not my source of income. It's not my major source of income. You get happy? So those ones that their major source of income is the spiritual work. So they try as much as they can to con everything to them that you must to come. As for me, I will give you everything for free. The only thing that will get me angry is when you watch the video, I did not even appreciate with a sweet comment from you. Even God love. Thanks. Okay guys, now the first one is you are going to get 7 cowries. After you have gotten your 7 cowries, you are going to get alligator pepper. Then you are going to get sea salt. First of all, that cowrie you have gotten, put that sea salt inside water. If you can get rainwater, use rainwater. If you cannot get rainwater, use any water. They put the shell, the 7 cowries inside. They put sea salt inside. Pray on it what you want to use that cowrie to do. And if you want to pray on it, you are going to put 7 seeds of alligator pepper in your mouth. You put 7 seeds of alligator pepper in your mouth. Then you put the cowries inside water. Water absorbs spoken words. Whatever you say to water, water listen. It enters water. It holds it. So once you speak what you want that cowries to do for you, that water will hold it. Those cowries are inside. It will stay there for like 5 to 7 days. The 7th day, you remove them. Now, remember, you're going to process salt inside the water. Then you remove them. If it is for money, that's where you need that 7. Then that 7 cowries you have put and you have put on it like this, for example. As long as a river does not run dry, ocean does not run dry, so the money that will keep coming to me will not run dry. There should be a point of contact. Decantation matter. As long as river does not dry, and ocean can never dry, so I can never be short of money. Money will come to me freely, easily, and effortlessly. Then you make that prayers on it. Then how you want money to come to your hand. Then that's 7 cowries. What you are going to do, put 4 inside the place you normally keep money. If you are a woman, this one will be easier for you. Put them in your box. As a man, if you have a wallet, put 4 inside your wallet. Then the remaining 3, carry them and put it under your pillow, inside your pillow. So with this, as you have prayed on it, this will enable you. You are telling the universe that I'm open for blessing. I want money to come to me. You will notice how money will be coming to you. And if you are having the problem that money does not stay in your hand, you will notice how money will be coming to you and stay. And another method you can also use to do this is you can get 4 cowries. Then you get the denomination of your country currency. Then you use that currency to wrap the cowrie. Then you get white and black thread. White and black always agree. When you are tying it, you say white and black always agree. So I want money to come to me. You pray, I want money to come to you. And meanwhile, if you are going to tie the cowrie with money, you are going to add 7 seeds of alligator pepper inside. You put 7 seeds of alligator pepper inside the chorus. Either you put your note like this, you put 7 seeds down, you put the 4 cowries inside there, you now fold it and wrap it. Then when you are done, always keep that thing with you. I'm telling you, money will come. See, some of you will think that the rituals that actually work are the ones that require you to kill a cow, kill an elephant, go and look for the tooth of a lion. But it's not always true. There are some simple rituals, but in the spiritual realm, they are powerful. Anything from Moshe, Cowrie, do it. He does not joke. So do it like this. You'll notice how money will be coming to your hand. Not just money coming to you. You'll be knowing what to do with your money. This is how to use cowrie to draw wealth, to draw prosperity. Then using cowrie for protection. You are going to use the same method of fortifying it. Like you get rainwater. If you cannot get rainwater, any water, then you add sea salt. Then you put the cowrie you want to use for protection inside this thing. You put 7 seeds of alligator pepper in your mouth. You chew the 7 seeds. That chewing it very well. You blow it on it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then you put on it what you want to use that cowrie for. Then you leave it there for 7 days for protection. You leave it for 7 days. After that, you will say the ocean always protects its own. There is no charm that can cross the ocean that will survive. As a result, no bad thing that will come to me that will survive. No arrow that will come to me that will survive. That arrow must fall back. You pray on it how you want the protection to be. Then you can make a ring. You can make a bracelet with it. You can put the one you put on your waist. You can make your waist bead with it. Put the cowrie there. Any part, just make sure. You can make anything with it, amulet with it, but just make sure the cowrie is with it. Even one will do this job. Just use one for this protection. Even if you put 10 there, why 45 there? Use one for. You can say them. That's how most spiritualists do 45 cowrie as say. So this is another powerful spiritual use of cowrie. That is the second thing you can do with cowrie shell. Okay, and the fourth thing is how you can use cowrie shell to communicate with water spirits, especially if you are a spiritualist. Anytime you do prayer for somebody, it's not just the A and B you plus together that are the meeting, but you have to have spirits that back up and make sure whatever you do works. That is the secret. So if you guys want me to make video on that, I will explain in detail how you can use cowrie to connect or to connect with your ancestors and also to communicate with water spirit. Let me know in the comment section. If I find out that a lot of people like this video and they make me understand in the comment section they are interested in this, I promise you guys I will make a video on it especially for you. Remember, where there is God, everything and anything is possible. See you guys in the next video. This year I always care. Bye for now.